So if you guys tried this out, let me know how it worked. And LOL. Okay, so the spoon broke and I had to mix with my hand now. And this texture of the slime was really weird and different from what like slime usually feels like. It felt like rubbery, like rubber slime. I can't explain it, just make it yourself. And if it doesn't work with only glue, salt, and water like mine, you could also try to add like a little bit of activator. I didn't use any activator, but you could try using activator. You could use like contact lens solution, baking soda, soft flow, stuff. But this was like really weird. Like, and the stretchiness, it was okay. I mean, it wasn't that stretchy. But you guys really need to try this recipe. So now I'm just gonna add some blue glitter because I didn't want a plain white slime and it was really hard to open. Yeah. So just add that glitter in. Then yeah, basically. So thank you guys for watching. Get this to 30 likes or more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.